잠깐만 물을 이렇게 적시면 이게 이제 좀 부드러워지잖아요. 이렇게. 그래서 이게 적신 후에 이제 이거를 하고 나서 이렇게 뿌리 쪽이 make sure this goes down. 그 다음에 남는 소금으로 이거를 이제 first we were focused on the bottom because it's more thicker part of the cabbage. 근데 이제 남는 소금으로 we're doing the more leafy side of the cabbage. So now and it's okay if it breaks off. And then you see there's some water in here. I put the leftover waters, the salty water earlier from this pan, and then you can, whatever it's left, it's okay to add water on the top. Every 30 minutes or to 1 hour, you want to turn it over. 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons sweet rice flour in a medium heat until start bubbly. It's like a porridge. See bubbling right here? Once you start bubble, you might want to lower the temperature. Because you don't want to burn the bottom of the pan and burn the porridge. And you probably wonder why am I cooking this, making this. It's because this, once it's cooled down, we will add all the ingredients mixed together. And this will help kind of stick to the cabbage leaves, all the spices kind of bonded together. And it's almost done. It just takes a few minutes. I lowered the temperature, but I'm going to see. Once it starts bubbling, you might want to cook for, just keep stirring. And then you're done. Just turn off the heat. You need to cool down before you add all the ingredients into this. Okay, what you do, you kind of switch from the one from the bottom, you bring it up on the top, and then you switch it back and forth. And then meantime, you want to check and see if it's bendable like this, or if it's not marinated enough, it will break off, but it's getting there. You see it? Like this one. This is really good. This is a good sign. So it's actually almost 2 hours. So we'll see. Maybe 1 more hour and we should be ready. And as you can see, there's water and it's okay. So now it's getting kind of shrinking. Cabbage is shrinking. So that's what's supposed to be. And then I want to make sure all of these are marinated well. So trying to immerse into the salt water. This is ready is when you bend it like this. Especially this this is the most like a thicker area of the leaf, and you know it's bendable. So like this is perfect. So what I'll do now, I'm going to wash in a cold water for a couple times, and then I will put this in the, to make sure I will drain them, get rid of all the excess water. You can taste it just after you wash them, and you will taste a little bit of saltiness, and it's okay. That's what you want anyway. So just make sure all the all of them, you can still bend. Wash it again. Ginger. Fishy sauce.
맛있어.
맛있어? This is optional. You don't have to add that in there. But if you have it, it's good to use it. It's enhance the flavor altogether. I'm going to put this sauce, mix it in carefully. It's very sharp, so just be careful. I don't want to waste any, so I'm cleaning off blade. And then now so now you just same way where you apply the salt, you want to lift every
겉절이 식으로 먹으면 돼.
On a room temperature for overnight, and then or 24 hours. It depends on season. Right now I can do it overnight, and then I will put this into the refrigerator
sometime tomorrow
whenever
night.
I'm ready. Because I made some kimchi, it's in there. I'm going to eat that first, so I want this to last longer. So I will put this in the refrigerator in the morning.